Hi guys, how are you? Welcome back to the EBM Scholars Show. Today I'm in the chef clothing. In case you didn't know, I'm a certified chef too. I went to school for this, what I'm doing, over, I don't know, it was more than 6 weeks, intensive school full time, and certified, and I practiced, worked in the restaurant business here in America, but I also have a lot of African cooking. Today is Thanksgiving. What does that mean in America? It is the time of the year where all families meet together and they are having fun, having a lot of food. One of the most famous food on Thanksgiving, in case you didn't know, is turkey. Big bird, big duck, whatever you call it, but that is Thanksgiving. But I'm African. Am I going to have the big turkey, big bird, big whatever? No. So we are introducing to you what we call African Thanksgiving. In this African Thanksgiving, we make African food, and all African families around, family, friends, we meet. So today, over 10 families in America who we know each other, originally from East Africa, we meet for Thanksgiving, but we make African food. So there is no turkey here, you can see. So let me quickly show what I'm making today. Almost every food I'm making here, there is no oil, except I will show just one item. So here I have chicken. This is just a normal ash kebab on the skewer chicken, boneless chicken breast, white meat, just lemon juice mixed over there, and a few lemon juice and we call there are certain seasoning. We put some pepper, put some salt, things of that nature. And then you have beef here, which is just normal Ankaf beef side over there, and I have two types of beans here. If I can explain quick about it, one type of beans is just with the veggies, like if you can see this one, there is no cooking oil here, it's just pure veggies, just beans, carrots, and you can see there is tomato, bell pepper, cabbage, and some fresh garlic. On the other side here is the same like this one, but we just added here just coconut juice. That is the only difference between the two of that one. And for those who do not know, this is the famous chapati. It's just like a little bit of tortilla, but is not. One among the most delicious meal you can ever have. I don't know, I'm on special diet, I'm not going to eat chapati today. And here is where I do my production. As you can see here, I have where I'm going to, so that was just a raw meat, and here is where I'm doing everything. So everybody is waiting for this kind of meat. Sorry, I was talking too much over there. In some they are starting a little bit getting burned, but they are doing well so far. So you can see almost all these ones are done, because when I'm making this one, I make sure that I don't make all well done. So because when you have some visitors at home, you do not know who wants what, so you just make like medium rare, well done, whatever, everything you mix together, and someone will choose what kind of the piece they want, how well you are cooked they want. So if they want to cook well, you can go back and put in the grill if they want, but otherwise, majority of people here, my friends who are coming here, they're okay with medium rare. So this is just a different way on how I make my chicken. As you can see, there is no addition of oil at all on this kind of meat. So it's just like this way. There is no turkey here, it's just pure meat like that. And that is how we enjoy what we call African Thanksgiving. There is no turkey, it's just that way. But some of our friends, they are going to bring some of the other food, but there will be some other people are going to bring some drinks. Some people, they are going to bring some of the oven cooked food, like some people will put potatoes, but I don't know who will eat potato on Thanksgiving, like the really African eating potatoes. No. So there will be some rice, yes, obviously coconut rice, or in some pilau. If you don't know what is pilau, pilau is just like, it's the same rice, white rice we put with specific kind of spices. Smells very good, trust me on that. So if you wanted to enjoy like something of this one, just check on my YouTube channel. We will put all the ingredients on every kind of food we are making, and I believe you'll be having a good time on how you can just also enjoy. But overall, Thanksgiving doesn't mean that you have to eat randomly and just go and gain a lot of weight. if you want to eat healthy, you can still eat healthy by making all these good healthy options. Like I said, I make beans and there is no cooking oil. I make this barbecue, there is no addition of any crazy stuff. It's just the normal kind of spices, normal kind of ingredients, and you are going to season well, and that is how we do. So what you need to do now, just go to my YouTube channel, youtube.com EBM Scholars, or on the right side of this of your screen, and click the subscribe button below there. When you subscribe, I get opportunity to make more videos and get more excited. So thank you very much, and happy Thanksgiving everyone. Goodbye.